there, my name is Christy, and in this video, I want to talk about one of my favorite things online is digital downloadable products. But before we get started, I want you to let you know you can go to the link, the first link underneath this video, and you can grab a free copy of 50 Ideas to Make Money Online. Okay, and then the next thing you'll see is this sales page that I'm about to show you.
You don't say.
Yeah, I do say. So anyway, we're going to go in and we're going to take a look at Dino Books. Now, what is PLR? PLR is specifically private label rights, which means that you can buy this and you can resell it just like you made it yourself. The reason I really love this particular package is for two reasons. Kids love dinosaurs. All the children in our family have always loved dinosaurs. Parents know their children love dinosaur books. And so this is a great niche to go into. Not only, not only because it's a very popular niche, but because people know, unlike some other things online, the PLR books or how-to books, parents know what is a dinosaur story, what is a dinosaur coloring book. And really, this is a great way to get started. And the thing I like about this particular package of PLR, private label rights, downloadable books, is that they are editable in Canva. And it comes along with a video, and I watched it a few minutes ago, of how to take the links they give you to download onto your computer and then upload them to Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's just a website that helps you change things, and then you can download it as a brand new product. So you don't have to worry about anyone else's book looking exactly like yours. And then you can put your name on it. You can sell it on Amazon, you can sell it on Etsy, you can sell it on Gumroad, you can sell it on a Shopify store, you can sell it on a Stan store, you can sell it on a website. In fact, you can just, Google how to make a PayPal button and sell it with a PayPal button on a blog, freeblogger.com. So there's lots of ways to do it, but this is a great way to get started in what is called the low content publishing world. So if you decide to get these 25 dinosaur story and coloring books, and I download to my computer, they're absolutely adorable. Right now, and I'm not sure when you'll see this video, it's only $12.95. And then there are some other offers that you'll see as well. But these are so cute. And they have, Trevor Carr is the vendor of this product, and he has done all the work for you. So you can sell them immediately and keep all the money. And he has a partner too as well that helped him with this project. So these are adorable. So they're books and coloring books. It's here's more detail right here. You get 25 books. You get full control over the books. You can tweak, twist, turn them however you like. You can change the stories. You can put on a new cover, which is awesome. And everything you make from selling these books, potentially selling these books, is all yours to keep. So it's awesome. It really is. And here are some examples of what's inside this package. And this is the guy, Trevor. Well, that's not Trevor, but it's a video where Trevor talks about how he sells private label rights, and he's done very well doing that. So if you get this offer, if you get this package, you will also get from me, and it will be tucked inside your receipt, from a marketplace. It's called Warriorplus, and don't let that scare you off. It's just a marketplace where people upload their offers, like this is an offer. You will also get this animals coloring book from me personally if you get this offer through my affiliate link, and I am an affiliate for this product. I will make a commission if you buy it through my link at no extra cost to you. And you'll also, if you get it through my affiliate link, you will get this cute little coloring book that you can resell. Has the same rights as this other package. And so now that you know what PLR means, private label rights, it means that somebody's done all the work. All you have to do is tweak it and list it for sale online. So it's a super, super way to get started online. Again, make sure you go underneath this video and click that first link to get a free PDF, 50 Ideas to Make Money Online.